Tired of outrageous phone bills and confusing carrier jargon? Today, we're putting Mint Mobile and Spectrum Mobile head-to-head to see which offers the best bang for your buck. First, let's dive into data plans. Mint Mobile operates on a prepaid model, requiring you to buy data in 3, 6, or 12-month chunks. While this might seem daunting, the longer you commit, the lower your monthly cost. They offer 4 gigabytes, 15 gigabytes, 20 gigabytes, and unlimited plans, with the best deals requiring that 12-month upfront payment. Spectrum Mobile, on the other hand, offers by the gig and unlimited options. But here's the catch: you typically need to be a Spectrum Internet subscriber to get the service, or the best pricing. Bundling can save you money, but if you're not already a Spectrum Internet customer, it might not be the cheapest route. Next, let's talk network performance. Mint Mobile uses Mobile's network, while Spectrum Mobile rides on Verizon's. Both offer excellent coverage across much of the US, but check coverage maps for your specific areas to ensure optimal service. Customer service is a mixed bag for both. Mint Mobile is often praised for its affordable prices but criticized for limited customer support options. Spectrum Mobile's customer service reviews tend to vary widely, and experiences can differ depending on location and the type of issue. As for extra perks, both offer mobile hotspot capabilities and international options as add-ins. Spectrum Mobile also often provides promotional streaming service offers. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your data needs, internet provider, and priorities. Consider your specific situation carefully before making a decision.